was gone. Someday I know I'll finally make it through the gates. Just have to wait. You whisper to me there's no maybe. There's only time for dreams even greater. I hear the call.
Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today we are going to be doing a major declutter and organize of my garage. As you can see, it's super messy. It is a complete disaster and it definitely needed some love and attention. I did film this video over a couple of days, so it was a lot of work, and the majority of this garage I did on my own, which was the first for me. Typically I have my husband helping me out. He was only able to help me out with one part because he was getting ready to go back on the road for work. So this is going to be kicking off my spring cleaning series. We have a lot to do this year and I want to make sure I share that with you guys to bring you some extreme cleaning motivation. So lots of deep cleaning and decluttering and reorganizing and all of that fun stuff. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and just jump right in.
I was looking like a fool when I met ya, all covered up in the dirt from my past. So insecure about myself when I met ya. Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night and day and night. To be honest, I just don't know what to do next. 'Cause I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you.
So it's officially spring break for my kids, and this was the last week before spring break. So Ava had half days all that week. So that is why she was out of school early and she was just kind of helping mama out, keeping me company, which I loved, and helping me with little things that she could. What I'm doing is just figuring out everything that I want to throw away, donate. We had a dump pickup coming the day after this. There was a lot of things that didn't quite fit in our trash cans, but also not good enough to donate to anybody. So it was perfect. I had my whole pile up on the street. The rest of the stuff I actually filled up my whole trunk in my car, and that stuff went to donation. And then everything else that I'm throwing away just fits in our trash bags that I put in our big trash cans.
Fool for you.
After Christmas, when I put my decor away, I actually went through a majority of these bins and got rid of some stuff. So those are pretty much downsized and decluttered, but I wanted to work on the top here and just kind of put all of like our summer camping stuff in one section and just kind of get everything in groups and fit more totes at the top so we can have more space in our garage. That is like my mission. I didn't want to have stuff all over the garage floor. My purpose of organizing the garage this year was to get as many bins on shelves and racks and downsize some of those bins so we don't have as much. So we'll have more space in our garage, and then also it will just look a lot neater and organized inside our garage.
Why don't we say that it's too late for us now? Why do we stay?
I'm really excited because today's video I partnered with Flexi Mounts, and I'm going to be building some new shelving and a rack in my garage, which is going to help with the organization a ton. So I can't wait for you to see that. That is coming up later in the video.
I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need
So because I live in Arizona, this is actually one of the first spring cleaning tasks that I have to get done because it gets up to 115 degrees here in the summers, and in spring it's like 100. Let me know what month of the year do you typically clean your garage, or do you just do it as needed, or do you have like a designated time before it gets too hot in your state?
I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the bitter truth. I need the better version of you. I need the better version of you.
There's so much dust in our garages here in Arizona that I am just cleaning as I go. I'm just wiping things off and wiping all that dust on the ground and just sweeping it as I go. So in this video, I am going to be putting up a couple of new racks and shelves. So I wanted to move this one on this side of the garage. That was just kind of my plan on what I wanted to do on the other side of the garage, and that is put up my new shelf, and I'm going to be putting all of my cleaning supplies on there throughout my house. So I'm super excited to have like a designated area in my garage to hold the majority of my cleaning supplies. So whenever I need them, I can just come out to the garage, fill up a bucket, and go in the house and use them, and then put them back out here. So the shelves that I'm using are from Flexi Mount, and today's video is sponsored by Flexi Mount, and what they have are some amazing garage organization shelves and racks and all of that fun stuff that's going to keep your garage clutter-free, more organized, and help you save a lot of space. What we're doing here is we are trying to find the studs on our ceiling because we are going to be hanging a rack on the ceiling. So the cool thing about this is it will lift up off the ground to the height of 9 feet. So this is going to be a space saver for your garage. You're going to be able to maximize so much space in your garage, and you're going to be able to use the lift to bring your stuff up and down so you don't have to carry anything super heavy up a ladder. So it has heavy duty steel cables, and that secures the rack in place. And then it's a 4x4 platform, and it also holds 300 pounds. So what I'm doing here is just making sure everything is secure. So now it's officially day 2, and I'm going to go ahead and install the actual rack. Once I'm done doing that, then I am going to put some stuff on there, and then we will move on to the shelves and get those shelves filled up with the cleaning products. You guys can probably see that I'm watching Ashley from Till Vacuum Do Us Part on my phone. I'm just kind of listening. That is my sweet, sweet friend. I actually had the opportunity to meet her in Oklahoma this past summer when I was visiting my family down there, and I got to meet her and Chase and Savannah, and they're just the sweetest family. I am so thankful that I was able to meet them and that both of our families were able to connect and hang out for a little bit. So this is the coolest part about this whole rack. So I'm bringing it down. I'm going to add a few things that I want to store on this rack. So they are going to be doing a 1-day flash sale on the 13th. So you will be able to get 20% off all of their products. So I will have their link down below in my description box for you to check out.
Yeah, all my dreams are coming true. I just wanna put my heels on tight, dance with you all night, move to my favorite song, go a little crazy to the beat, hear you talk so sweet, my heart just sings along.
So this is their 3-tier shelf, and it is adjustable to the height that meets your needs. I thought this was really awesome, so I can store most of my cleaning supplies out here and then just leave a few things underneath the bathroom sink, underneath the kitchen sink, stuff like that. I just threw a few different baskets that I already had throughout my house in there, and now I feel like I got some extra space in my kitchen for other things now that I've cleared out my cleaning cabinet.
What we have is something worth fighting for. With bad news knocking at my door, but I like it like that. We go all in and I'm falling, but I like it like that. And it's so wrong, but still so strong, but I like it like that. Now I'm catching fire.
All right, you guys, I just wanted to show you the before one more time so you can really appreciate the after. So now I am all done with the garage. It was quite a process and a lot of hard work, I am not gonna lie, but I'm super happy with the end result.
What it's all about takes a second and then we're back it again. Coaster ride for the triggered minds, but I don't ever want us to stop it. Go ahead, till I miss my phone.
So thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope you got some cleaning motivation. Please comment down below and say hi and let me know that you were here. And if you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see all of you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.
Explode every time you go and slam the door. Adore how we always end up on the floor. We know how to push the buttons to the core.